Let me show you how to change a TikTok cover photo after posting. If you want your TikTok feed to follow a certain style, you may want to update a video's cover. First, open the video you want to edit and tap it. Then tap the three dots on the bottom right. Scroll across the menu at the bottom and select Edit Post. If you don't see this option, try restarting the TikTok app. Keep in mind you can only edit a cover within 7 days of posting. In the top right, tap Edit Cover. You can pick a frame from the video or tap Upload to use a photo from your device. Adjust the crop by pinching the image, then tap Save and Save again to confirm.